So how many of you think that with this AI tools, content industry is going to die soon? Or how many of you think content writing industry is so time consuming? Let me simply use an AI tool, subscribe it, and deliver content to the clients. Guys, if you're doing that, trust me, you are doing a blunder if you are a content writer. Never do that. Here's why. So first thing is, if you have subscribed to ABC, so I'm just naming an AI tool called ABC, and I also have subscribed. Now, how this AI tool works? It works where the data sets are collected from millions of books and reliable resources like Wikipedia. And when we write something or ask the AI to do some research for us, it will pick up the same stuff for you and the same stuff for me. So if you want to write, how do I learn content writing? The AI will research and pick up the data sets from these millions of books, Wikipedia and other resources, and give you the same lines, and it will also give you the same lines. So if you publish and I publish, we are countering plagiarism issue. Now coming to the second thing, in AI tool there is no structure. When you write content through it, the whole structure is gone for a toss, which will not interest any user. Would you haphazardly want to read any content which doesn't even connect one subheading to the next? No, right? So that is another drawback of an AI tool. The third one is there is no emotion. It is just researching and giving them facts and giving in some sophisticated manner, but the emotions are lost. So I don't know how many of you know, but it is said that the writer's breathing cycles impacts the emotions that come out in the writing. Now, if you write in anger, okay, and you will see the emotion that comes out while reading is different. While if you write it in a happy mood, the emotion that comes out is different. It is not just the words. Your breath cycles also matter a lot. If you're breathing very fast, then the content is likely to create a negative emotion in the reader's heart. And if you are writing with a relaxed breathing cycle, then the reader is going to feel way more relaxed and calm when he reads. There are many books you must have seen which you just don't feel like writing because maybe the writer must have not written it in the right breathing rhythms. So this is another thing that AI lacks, and I suggest every writer to consciously work on the breathing cycles so that you can actually induce positivity in the reader's mind. Another thing is, now when it comes to content through AI, sometimes it becomes very hard to interpret. We don't know that some sentences are so complicated that it becomes very difficult to comprehend. And now, if you do not proofread this, imagine what happens. Your brand value is at stake. So even if AI tools will take over, if it is not supervised by a human or if proofreading experts do not improve and finish the content properly, it could be a big blunder. Another fact that I'm telling you, you can even search. In September 2022, Google has released an update where it clearly has given 9 questions to figure out if you have writing content for people or you are writing content for search engines. Now, many times to beat the competitors, some blogs need to be 5,000, 7,000 words. And many people rely on these AI tools to build so much of content rather than putting their manual efforts. Guys, God have created us and we are creating these tools. But do not use this tool to build your brand. Use yourself, use your mind. Invest your money in learning. Invest your money in upskilling yourself. Invest your money in practices like yoga. Invest your money and your resources for uplifting yourself rather than relying on some shortcuts to prepare your content. If you will also see the way you will write the content, you will improve. Like AI, people keep on giving the updates and improve the performance of AI. You can do that for yourself. So why not do it for yourself? Think about it, and if you are interested in upskilling yourself, we are doing a 3-week content writing course where we are going to tell you about social media, blogs, and website content. Now, in the first week, we will cover about only social media over 4 days or 5 days, 1 to 1.5 hour class, where we will tell you how to choose your content calendar, how to choose your content buckets, prepare your static carousel reels, infographics, how to write an ad copy, proofread it, and go for publishing. And in the second week, that is in the blogs one, we are going to help you learn everything about blogs, about the keywords, about SEO optimization, about designing the blog outline, using different subheadings in a catchy way, making the reader flow from one subheading to another subheading, internal linking the blogs, writing powerful introduction, writing conclusion which makes the user take the action you want, and so many other things. In the third week, we are going to cover about website content, where you will learn how to gather your business data, how to understand what your customer likes about the product, how to uh, research your competitors, give a good banner text, what are the icons, what are the text to choose for which the icons will go really great on the website. You cannot play simply around any website content. So we are going to dive in deeply into these three aspects. And now a very big surprise that is coming from us that nobody is doing it in content industry is we are doing a breakout session where you will get how to edit, how to improve your weakness and how to strengthen your strength. How one of the best things that I feel is one-on-one feedback. So on every Saturday of the week, throughout the 3 weeks, you will get feedback in breakout session with me or my team who has an experience of more than a decade, and you will get feedback on all the assignments you do. After every class, you're going to give an assignment and you'll have to do it and come to the next class. So this is what we will do is we will sit and review the assignment, and on Saturday we will come and give you a feedback which will help you identify your own skill sets, your own shortcomings, and improve and up your content game. Now, this is a certification content course that we are doing along with Digital Buddy, where we will help you understand and perform better in your content writing career. For to get the certification, it is mandatory that you have an 100% attendance until and unless there is some medical emergency. Second thing is you have to come to the breakout session and take a feedback. Third is you have to do all these assignments. Now, if you don't do an assignment, from where we'll give the feedback. So these are the mandatory things you need to do, and we will also offer internships and job opportunity to the people interested and if they deem fit for our requirements. I hope you are going to enjoy this program. You're going to learn a lot of things because I am coming with an experience of 6 to 7 years in this industry. I've worked with many big brands, many small companies, many freelancers, many digital marketeers to work on their content.